Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to log in to PUBG using Facebook. PUBG Mobile allows players to sign in using Facebook, making it easy to sync your account and access the game across devices. To get started, open PUBG Mobile on your device and on the login screen. Tap the Facebook login option. Wait for it to load. If you have already added a Facebook account, it will be selected automatically. Just continue, and if you are not logged in, sign in with your Facebook credentials. Since this is my first time, it will show customization options. And now I have successfully logged in with my Facebook account on this device. Once you confirm the permissions, PUBG will link your Facebook account and take you directly into the game. After logging in, your game data, friends, and progress will be synced with your Facebook account, allowing easy recovery if you change devices. And that's it. We just learned how to log into PUBG Mobile using a Facebook account and sync your game progress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.